Now, I noticed that a lot of people have been giving some pushback on the idea of a virtual farmers market like what you're seeing here on your screen. And it's interesting to me because, people, yes, I love going to a real farmers market in person, seeing all of the vendors, the local farmers, and being able to talk to them, but in many cases, for many people across the world, we just don't have them. Farmers markets don't exist in our area, because of food deserts or whatever it may be, they just don't have them. And then on top of that, there's also accessibility issues. What about people with disabilities, people who can't even leave their home, right? What about them? They can never just experience a farmer's market? I don't think that that's really fair, right? Also, too, what about during the winters in areas where the winters are rough? We don't have anywhere to plant unless you have a greenhouse, which, some people do, but not everyone. So this provides people a way to be able to still have a place that we can meet and exchange our goods, even in the winter months when there are no farmers markets running. So all of these different things, right, and even other aspects, I would like people to think about when it comes to a virtual farmers market and see that this is why I put it together. So go ahead and check us out like you see on the screen there at sdla.farm. All right.